Hi guys, today I'm going to make some grilled peaches with Lorna Doone shortbread crumbles. It's going to be a delicious dessert and I'm going to use my Cook Joy air fryer. I'm going to use the grill setting on there so that I can grill these peaches inside tonight. Alright, I'll show you the recipe. Okay, we're going to start by taking some Lorna Doone shortbread cookies, or you can use any shortbread cookies you like, but I'm going to break up about a half a cup of them. And then I'm going to mix that with about 2 tablespoons of flour and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. And into that, we're going to mix 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon and nutmeg. After we stir that together, I'm going to take some cold butter and make chunks out of this and break it into the crumble mixture. And we'll have that all ready, but to start with, we're going to take these 2 beautiful peaches, slice them in half, get the pit out of there, and we're going to start to grill them in the air fryer. Inside the box, the cookies come in little packets, so I'm going to use 3, and I'm just going to do it very easy, break them open and crumble them into the measuring cup, like that. Alright, here's what the cookies look like, little crumbles, and then we're just going to add to it the flour, the brown sugar, a little bit of cinnamon, nutmeg, taking chunks of the butter here, just like when you're making a topping for apple crunch or something like that. After you get the pieces cut up, we're going to add them to the mixture and cut through them with a knife to make the flour stick to the butter. I'm just going to cut through it with the cookies and the flour and the sugar, all the spices, and get that evened out a little bit. Alright. Okay, now we're going to slice around the peach. Okay, let me open it up. You can pull out the stone. And we're going to put this right in the air fryer. One of my friends, Pat, suggested that when she makes something really messy, she just lines the bottom of her air fryer with a piece of foil. And that's what I'm doing here. It's a non-stick coating, and that's easy to clean up, but in this case we know we're going to have juices in there, so we'll take a shortcut. Now I'm going to use the high-low rack that comes with the Cook Joy air fryer. And we're going to make the peaches stand a little bit high. And we're going to put them in with the skin side up to start. Okay, let me get the other one ready. Okay, I have the second one. Put that one skin side up also. We're going to close the air fryer. And we're going to put it on the grill setting. So we go to the menu and we scroll through each of the preset buttons till we get to the grill part. And that's set for 15 minutes at 380 degrees. And then I'm just going to press start. The air frying will begin. We're going to let it go about 8 minutes, and then we're going to turn them over and put the filling in the center. Alright, we're halfway through the cooking time here. I want you to take a close look. You can see the skin on the peaches has started to curl and blister a little bit. And if I poke the peach, you can see how tender it is. So it's juicy. Some of the juice is starting to drip out. While it's still pretty firm, I want to turn it over. And if we lose the skin on this, it'll be okay. Alright, now I'm going to take the mixture that we have with the cookie crumbles, and we're going to pack it down on top. And some is going to fall through, that's okay. But that'll be toasty crumbles also. Alright. I think this is going to be yummy. Just try to get some to stay there. A little bit more over here. And any crumbles that we get on the bottom, we can use that as topping also. Alright, I'm going to continue the cooking time. Over here's the latch that holds the lid up. And when we close the lid, it goes right back to the original cooking time. Okay. Now, when the air fryer ends, sometimes the fan still runs in there to cool everything down. Alright, here we go. Look how nice and brown. Okay, let's see if we can transfer this to a plate. Wow, these are really beautiful. Alright, let's put 2 plates out here. And what do you think we're going to do next? We're going to top them with some nuts. I have some chopped up walnuts. Put some on each one. A little extra nutrition. It's always good. And then I have some delicious peach ice cream. So, alright. Isn't that a nice dessert? What do you think? I have a special taster here in the house. You ready for dessert, Rick? You want to try it?
I put the ice cream on top.
Okay, you can have it.
That's alright, I'll mix it up.
Okay, here we go.
You need a utensil or just...
I have a spoon for you.
Spoon fork, yeah.
Yeah.
Spoon. Mmm.
It's hot. Be careful.
Alright, work it. Mmm. It's good.
Tastes good?
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
Alright, air fried peaches. That was much easier than starting up the grill and getting everything going right. Try this if you have an air fryer. This is a Cook Joy air fryer, which is really a nice one. I'll put a link there for you if you're interested. But the recipe could be grilled, of course, or do it in 12 minutes inside. Hope you enjoy this recipe. Thanks for watching.